Hello, children. Welcome back to my EVS class. I hope so that you all are fine and keeping yourself safe in your home. So, before starting the chapter, let me tell you all that for this chapter, I have forwarded the PDF to you all in the WhatsApp group. So please check it and read the chapter. Okay? So before starting the chapter, join your hands and close your eyes and let us thank God for giving us home. Done? Very nice. Now say the prayer with me. Thank you, God, for giving us shelter so that we can keep ourselves safe. Thank you. Okay, keep your hands down now and listen to me. So the chapter number 3 is our house. House is very important for the human life. You all know why? No, you don't know. Some of you know. Very good. House keeps us safe from heat, cold and rain. So let us read. House. House is where we live in with our family. Now, why do we need house? A house provides us shelter. It also protects us from heat, cold, rain, storm, thieves, and wild animals. We all need a place to live in. We feel safe inside the house. Why do we feel safe? Because it protects us from many things. Now, there are different types of houses. That is, kacha house, pakka house, and so many houses are there. So here you can see the kacha house. Where do you all have seen this house? In the villages, very nice, or in the slum areas. So this is kacha house. It is made up of bamboo trees, right? Now this is pakka house. Where do you all have seen this house? In the cities, very nice. And from what material it is made up of? From bricks. You all can see bricks are kept over there, cement is kept over there. Very good. Now again, this is pakka house. We can see pakka house is single floor also and multiple floor also. Where we have seen right now that kacha house, so it is not a multi-storied, it is of single floor only. But in pakka house we can see it can be of single floor also and it can be of multiple floor also. Very good. So what is the difference between a kacha house? Kacha house, it is made up of mud, straw, wood and bamboos. Where pakka house is made up of cement, bricks, iron and steel. Kacha house is not very big and pakka houses are strong and big. Kacha house, it is not very costly, but pakka house, it is very costly because of its maintenance. Okay. Kacha house is also called as temporary house. Why it is called as temporary house? If the rain will come, it will fall down because it is made up of mud. And Pakka house is also known as permanent house. Why? Because it is made up of cement, bricks, and many other things, and it will not fall down because it is made up of cement, bricks, and many other things which keeps it strong, and that is why it is expensive also. Okay, it means that it is costly because it is permanent in nature. Until and unless we'll break it down, it will not break. Okay, I hope so that you all are getting. So this was the difference between the Kacha and the Pakka house. Kacha house you all will see in the villages and the slum areas. Pakka house you all will see in the cities. Now example of Kacha house. If we talk about Kacha house, so you all can see the hut which you all might have seen in the villages, and there in the sides only you all can see a tent which is also not permanent in nature. Tent is used for, you all know that for what is it is used. It is used for, like if we have to stay for a night or for a day anywhere, so we can use it. Okay, and after it is used we can take it off and we can keep it in our bags and we can use it several times. Okay, if we talk about Pakka house, so it is permanent in nature and we can not took it off like a tent. Okay, so once it is made, it will remain. Okay, so the Pakka house is made up of bricks, cements, and many other things like iron rods and all. So it cannot be fall down during the time of rain. But if we talk about the Kacha house, if the rain will come, the mud will flow. So it will fall down. And in the Pakka house, there are two types of buildings, that is single storage and multi-storage. So multi-storage is also permanent. Okay, so read the chapter. I have already provided you with the PDF. So read the chapter. And daily I want you all to thank God for giving you shelter. Okay, children.